Good morning, everyone. Students, we have learned in previous chapter that Ibrahim Lodi was defeated by the Babur, who came from the Kabul, and then he started new dynasty, the Mughals, in the Delhi. Now we learn in chapter 4 more about the Mughals. Chapter 4 is the Mughals. The imperial power of the Mughals emerged as the most formidable political power in the Indian subcontinent after the end of Sultanate era. At the peak of their power, they controlled a large part of subcontinent. मुगल्स ने जो है एक इंडियन सब कॉन्टिनेंट का बहुत बड़ा पार्ट जो है वो अपने ओवर कंट्रोल में कर लिया था. मुगल रूल इन इंडिया. बाबर रूल इन इंडिया from 1526 to 1530. His real name was Zahiruddin Muhammad Babur, who was the founder of Mughal Emperor in India. He traced his lineage to Taimur on his paternal side and Genghis Khan on his maternal side. It means he was related with the Taimur from his paternal side and Genghis Khan from his maternal side. It means Taimur and Genghis Khan was relative of Babur. At the young age of 11, he succeeded his father to the throne of Fargana, a small principality in Transylvania. It means बाबर ने बहुत ही यंग एज में, एज ऑफ 11 में, उसने अपने फादर का थ्रोन जो है उसने सक्सीड किया था ड्यू टू द डेथ ऑफ हिज फादर, जो कि एक बहुत से छोटे राज्य का वो राजा बना. एज अ रूलर ऑफ फरगना, बाबर वॉज फोर्स टू डिफाइंड हिज किंगडम अगेंस्ट फॉरेन इन्वेशंस. He captured Kabul in 1504. Attracted by the tales of Indians' wealth, उसने इंडिया के जो धनी होने की जानकारी उसको कहानियों से मिली और उसने प्लान किया कि वो किस तरीके से इंडिया में आए और उस पर अपना कब्जा करे. बाबर गॉट दिस अपॉर्चुनिटी. बाबर को ये अवसर 1524 में मिला. व्हेन दौलत खान led by the Sher Shah Suri and Bahadur Shah, the ruler of Gujarat, through Humayun was initially successful against both of them. Sher Shah proved to be a more formidable enemy as he defeated Humayun decisively in the Battle of Chausa and Kannauj in 1539 CE and 1540 CE respectively. These defeats forced Humayun to flee to Kabul and thereafter Persia, where he took shelter under the Safavid Shah Tahmasp. Now, Sher Shah Suri also called the Sher Shah. Sher Shah was the son of a small Jagidar from Jaunpur. His original name was Farid Khan. Sher Khan, in his youth, he killed a tiger with his bare hand. He emerged as a strong ruler of Bihar and occupied the throne of Delhi in 1540 by defeating the Mughal Emperor Humayun. In the age of very early age, he killed a tiger and after that he known as the Sher Khan. Sher Shah ruled a vast territory extending from river Jhelum in west to river Brahmaputra in the east and the Indus and the Himalayas in north, excluding Kashmir, Malwa and Rajasthan. Sher Shah paid great attention to the growth of trade and commerce, improvement of communication and organization of the army. The welfare of people was one of his prime concerns. Most of his reform reflected this concern. Sher Shah Suri also created with having reformed the currency system, making it uniform in nature. Now we will cover the next topic in next video. Thanks to all of you.